In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about managing custom pixels for events on your Shopify store. Understanding how to set up and monitor these can significantly enhance your store's ability to track customer interactions and overall performance. So let's get started and go through the process together. Begin by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. This is the command center where you have access to all the tools and settings for managing your online store. If you don't have the link handy, a quick search for Shopify admin should take you to the login page. Once you've logged in and are on the home page, you'll see a menu that helps you navigate through various sections. Next, look for the Settings option. This is located at the bottom left corner of your admin panel interface. Clicking it will open a menu that gives you control over different aspects of your store. A key feature that ensures you're fully equipped to manage everything from shipment settings to customer data. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Customer Events. Click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing events related to customer interactions. It gives you insight into behaviors and trends that are crucial for growing your business. After selecting Customer Events, you need to look for the option to Add Custom Pixel. This function allows you to add tracking pixels to your site, which can be essential for conversion tracking and retargeting. Implementing custom pixels can provide valuable data about how visitors are interacting with your website. Once you initiate the process to add a custom pixel, the interface will present various options and settings for customization. Among these, you might notice a feature termed Highlight. Clicking on Highlight allows you to emphasize specific actions or sections related to your pixels, helping differentiate or emphasize certain parameters you find most critical for analysis. After completing the setup, if at any point you decide to abort or pause your progress, or if everything doesn't seem right, you can easily hit the Cancel button. This is a helpful way to step back if you've changed your mind or plan to revisit or modify the configuration later. It's designed to ensure that no changes are saved unless you are completely sure of what you want to do. And there you have it. You've successfully been guided through the process of navigating Shopify to manage customer events with custom pixels. This can help you gain deeper insights into your customer behaviors and tailor your marketing strategies and business operations more effectively. If any questions come up as you work with Shopify, don't hesitate to look for additional resources such as Shopify guides or community forums. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident diving into Shopify now.